Well, alrighty then. Today is pizza day. And look, I've already got the dough rolled out on this little pan, the cookie sheet. I got some dry salami. I got some jalapeno peppers that are diced. I got some ragu sauce. I'm not using red sauce. We're going to use that little sauce as the base to hold all our meats and vegetables. And of course, I got some pizza blend cheese, y'all. You know you need the cheese on your pizza. And this is Italian seasoned ground turkey with onions that are diced and cooked in there. Delicious, huh? Yes, yes,
I'm getting
yes.
ready to put on the sauce and start layering the pizza in sections because there's some things I want on mine that my husband does not want on his. So stay tuned and watch the magic happen.
Construction. What exactly do you process? There's inside right now because he doesn't like the building numbers. He is not supposed to associate with people like me, people who like
Come back and see what else we plan on cooking in the future. But we are trying new things, honey. Come on back. Thanks. Look. Earlier we couldn't pick it up all by itself. Look at it. That's old Greedy coming in for a bite. See that missing piece? Have some. I'm done. Video over. I'm finished. I'm done.